Hello and welcome. If you're a business owner, a corporate brand, in the HR team, an event planner, or even a gift supplier, then this video is for you. Because every new year, promotional products are required to keep your brand top of mind. They are brand experiences, they are relationship builders, and they're also silent salespeople working for your business long after the gift is given. In this video, I'll be walking you through 7 trending promotional products for the new year. Global brands are already using these gift items to stand out. I'll also explain why these products matter, who they are best for, and how to use them strategically every new year and not just randomly. So, let's get into it. Now we're going to talk about why 2026 is different for promotional products. But before we jump into the top 7, right, you need to understand something important. 2026 has changed the rules totally. Promotional products are no longer about the cheapest item or the largest quantity or the largest logo. Instead, brands are prioritizing 1, usefulness, 2, longevity, 3, personal relevance, 4, emotional connections. In Africa especially, people don't just remember what you gave them, they actually remember how you made them feel. That's why the products trending in 2026, they are practical, they're premium, and they are intentional. Now let's begin our countdown. Number 1, we have our smart desk accessories, right? And desk accessories like our wireless charging desk pads, our multi-device charging stations, wireless charging pen holders. These are currently trending as promotional products in 2026. Now, why are these trending? Because hybrid work is now permanent. Post-COVID, we've seen the trend shift, right? So people work from offices, they work from home, they work from shared spaces in varying degrees, in varying dimensions, and anything that can improve their daily work and productivity is important and valuable. So when your brand is sitting on someone's desk every single day, you're not just advertising, right? You're actually integrating your brand into their daily lives, and that's what makes these products the best New Year gifts for tech companies, for banks, for consulting firms. So number 2, we have our custom journals, and it's not just your regular journals that we slap their logos on. Those are fine, but you want to go the extra mile to make sure your journals are more functional, multiple usage. So we have our wireless charging journals, which you can pair with LED pens, making your brand glow. We have journals that have power banks in them and charging cables. And then you can also have the journals that have the combination locks. In the digital world, this matters because people have become intentional about writing again. People write to plan, to strategize. They write for mental clarity. People also write for spiritual reflection. So when your brand is one that supports people's thinking processes, you're building a mental association with your brand, and that is powerful. So these products are best for corporate planning, leadership programs, end-of-year gifts. Number 3, we have our eco-friendly and sustainable gifts. Now, you can't go wrong with eco-friendly promotional products, right? It's no longer an option, really. You have to add this into your brand for this year, right? Because it's a reputation marker and a trust signal. Trending items include bamboo notebooks, eco-friendly tote bags, bamboo pen holders, bamboo phone stands, and especially for younger professionals, your choice of gifts communicates your ethics, your brand ethics, right? So brands that ignore this are already behind. I'm sure you don't want to be behind, and these are best for non-profit organizations and forward-thinking corporate brands, future-thinking corporate brands. Number 4, personalized employee welcome kits. You can't go wrong with this, right? In 2026, companies are investing more in employee experiences, onboarding moments, culture building. And these kits usually include branded notebooks, drinkware, desk items, and sometimes apparel. But the key word here for this product is personalization, and not just company branding, but thoughtful creation. People don't forget how they are welcomed. And these are best for HR departments, growing companies, startup scaling teams. Number 5, we have apparel. Minimalist branded apparel, not loud logos, right? Not oversized prints on a t-shirt. In 2026, we're leaning more towards neutral colors, long-sleeved hoodies, clean fronts on a crew neck sweatshirt, subtle placements on a premium jacket, because people now want to actually wear the items and not just receive them and keep them away. They actually want to wear the items and look trendy. So if no one wears your branded shirt, it wasn't a good promotional product. Now, these products, apparels, are best for corporate retreats, team bonding sessions, and brand communities. Number six. So we're moving to event-specific custom gifts, right? So what do I mean by that? Instead of generic items, brands are creating conference-themed jackets, 3D crystal keepsakes, custom designed bags. Why are they doing this? Because relevance increases emotional value, memorability, and social sharing. A gift that tells a story lasts longer than a gift that just fills a bag, right? Because a story is something that the person actually experiences with you. And these are best for conferences, product launches, and brand anniversaries. So if you're having any of these events in 2026, you want to reach out to us at the Print Haven. Number 7, we have our multifunctional promotional products. And they do more than one thing. So for example, we have the power bank with the multiple charging cable points. You can have the notebook and the pen sets. We also have the pen holder and the wireless phone charger, and many more that we're going to be sharing with you in the Print Haven. And these work because people love efficiency, right? Especially when the efficiency is packed in one item that has multiple uses, which garners more appreciation because it's actually thoughtful. You went the extra mile to think functionality. So in this year, 2026, functionality equals value, and it's best for premium clients, executive gifting, and high-value partnerships. So here's the truth. This year, in 2026, promotional products are not about trends alone. Listen carefully. They're about strategy, right? They're about understanding your audience. And it is also about long-term brand positioning. You're not just here for the short term. You're here for the long term. Your business is here for the long term. Promotional products are useful, they're intentional, and they also align with your brand values. If you're able to get this right, your promotional products won't be forgotten, they won't be remembered, and obviously, your brand will be remembered. So, if you found this video helpful, like it, share it, subscribe for more insights on printing, branding, and promotional gifting strategy, and let us know in the comments which of these trends are you adopting in 2026. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.